The Tay Cities Engineering Partnership is working with schools to try and get people engaged at a younger age. Studies have shown that a lot of people make up their mind about what subjects they're interested in by the age of 9. So to make sure that we have a promising future for STEM subjects, we want to make sure that we're engaging with people whilst they're still in that sort of decision-making process. We are working with schools to make sure that kids can have a hands-on experience, understand what some of the terminology means through hands-on activity, gives them exposure to the types of job roles that might be available and sort of demystifies what engineering is. Through the partnership, we have engaged with lots of different school events. We do primary STEM careers events. We have a session called Epic Schools where the schools come into our facilities and get to do lots of hands-on activities. So there's lots of different ways that we engage with young people.
We've got the virtual reality welders, we've also got the VR headsets, so we're going out to schools, generally speaking, with that type of technology, which is non-invasive, it's safe, they can actually get used to these technologies by using something in a safe environment. We're going out to encourage them, we're making it fun, we're making it interesting.
As part of the project, we've identified that there's a lot of influencing factors on young people, and that includes the careers advisors that they're engaging with, their teachers in the school. So we felt it was important to make sure that they were engaged and informed. So we've also run sessions like information for educators and sessions for SDS careers advisors, so they can ask questions so that they can have a fundamental understanding of what engineering is, so they're informed to pass that on to the students.
One of the key features for UHI Perth in particular is that we can offer curriculum from SCQF Level 4, so right from entry level straight through to degree. So students can come to us straight from school, they can come to us with very few qualifications, and they can start their journey at Level 4, Level 5, but they can progress right through to degree study. We have a whole range of workshops and labs on campus at UHI Perth, so that includes our engineering workshop where you can study fabrication and welding. We have workshops in motor vehicle, which covers mechanical and body and paint. We also have our aviation hub where students carry a lot of project work related to aircraft engineering. All aspects of STEM are covered in a practical aspect here.
A lot of the skills and techniques that the students are taught on our courses are transferable skills, particularly within engineering. So whilst they may be learning avionics, particularly for aircraft, a lot of the principles can be applied across other engineering sectors. Other aspects could be things like aerodynamics, can be applied across multiple skill sets as well. So automotive obviously is a big one there, but also even in general sports. So cycling, for example, there's a lot of aerodynamics is considered in these areas as well. So it can be very multidisciplinary in that respect.
A lot of the activity we've done to date, we've done as pilot activity in a certain area of the region. So we're just looking to expand that now we've proved that going forward, our goal is to engage with over 10,000 school students across the Tay Cities region. If you're a school looking to get involved with the Tay Cities Engineering Partnership, you can visit our website at tcep.scot or contact your Developing Young Workforce Coordinator to get in touch with us.